Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to sum a row in Excel. So likewise column, there are also three ways to sum a row in Excel. First method is you can click on the cell where you want to get the total and go in home tab, and here you can see auto sum, double click on it and you can see it has the total. The second method is just to select the row and click on auto sum and you will get the row total. And the third method is press plus, click on first value plus second value plus third value and enter, and you will get the total. One more thing, that once you have total the first row, then click on the left below and drag it to the remaining rows and you will get the total of all the rows. The formula will be pasted on the all cells. So this is how you can sum a row in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.